Hey diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a canvas that I think would be phenomenal if you are just getting into diamond painting for the very first time, or if you're an experienced diamond painter and you just need a bit of a snack size canvas. I think the one I'm going to show you today is right up your alley. Let's get started. Before we get any further in today's video, I've got to let you know that I am a Crafties affiliate and I did receive this canvas from Crafties for review. When you use the link in the description below, I do get a small commission and you're helping your girl pay her student loans off, which is a long, slow process, and it's much appreciated. Let's get into this package. Like I said, I think today's canvas is one that a lot of new diamond painters would really enjoy. Also, if you are looking for a canvas to play along with Cal's Crafts Anything Mermaid Along, today's canvas is also a perfect one for that event. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, head on over to Cal's Crafts. I'll put a link to her event kickoff video in the description below so that you can find it, and I'll also stick a link up in the cards to make that easy to find for you. Cal is a phenomenal person. I hope you'll check out her channel. I hope you'll give her all the love. She's so kind and so wonderful. Now, from what I understand, Crafties has been adding to their lineup of diamond paintings a little bit at a time. So this is a brand new release that just came out. This is a brand new Sybile Art canvas. And yes, it is mermaid themed. How cute is she? Oh my gosh. She's adorable. Can you see? So this is a very colorful little mermaid. This piece is called Numiko by Sybile Art. It's a 30 by 50 with 28 colors, and the drills are round. This is not my usual vibe for a diamond painting, but look how colorful and fun she is, you guys. Oh my gosh, I've got a lot of glare. We gotta deal with this. I'll do my best to give you a lot of shots from various angles. She's so adorable. That is really cute. Now, if you have younger people in your life who like to diamond paint with you, this might be a fantastic canvas for them. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. I love how Sybile Art has these beautiful squishy faces. You just want to squish their little faces. That is really cute. The printing on this is very clear. Poured glue. Let's touch the glue a little. Nice and sticky, a springy texture on the glue. That is super cute, Crafties. Now, Crafties does license all of their art legally from the artist, so you never have to worry about getting an unlicensed image from Crafties. That is a big weight off my mind personally. They also offer paint by number kits, so if you're into paint by numbers, there are a lot of cool things for you there too. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So perfect for the Anything Mermaid Along, if you're interested in that. All right, that is adorable. Let's check out the kit that comes with it, the tool kit. This comes with 2 pens. Oh, that's cool. There's a 3-placer on one and a 6-placer on the other. That's super nice. A boat, pink wax, tweezers, and some squishies. Nice. Let's see if they fit. I like it when my squishies fit. Very nice. Very nice. So everything you're gonna need to get started there. Now, let's check out the drills. Maybe I'll flip this colorful baby over to the back side. Now, promising, because the gray stripe drills, in my experience, are the nicer drills. If you love pastels, if you love rainbow colors, this one is for you. We have, pardon the crinkling, purples in every shade. We have crystal yellow drills. That is really cool how they sprinkle crystal drills into their kits. They just surprise you with them. Got a whole bunch of pinks. I love this shade of green. That's fantastic. Aqua, a whole bunch of blues. Look at we have some sea foam there. Really nice. Then a whole bunch of clear crystal drills. Some more blues, some more purples. and blue crystals. There are 3 shades of crystals in here. That's gonna be so much fun. Let's see where they go. I'm excited. A snack-sized diamond painting with crystal drills. How fun is that gonna be? That's gonna be so fun. Okay, so we do have drills that are numbered here. So number 1 through 28, that's what you're gonna wanna look at. If you're a new diamond painter, you're gonna wanna look at the number on the bag. This is a lot of crinkling, I'm sorry. So my number 1 would be this purple. The symbol is going to be the letter A. So I know that all my A symbol is that number 1 right there. All right, that's cool. So the crystals are gonna go in number 5, which is the letter T. So the stars up here are gonna be yellow crystal. The hearts down here at the bottom and the stars are gonna be yellow crystal. That is so cute. The blue crystal were 22. That's the sideways arrow. So that's gonna be like the outlining on some of the little bubbles. That's so cute. A little pop of blue. Oh, and in her eyes, we have some crystals too. That's adorable. And then the clear ones are number 28, that's symbol diamond. Oh, fun. So all of this diamond symbol up at the top is clear crystal. There's a little clear crystal in her face even, a little in her tom-tom right here. And then sprinkled in, there's a flower down here at the bottom with some crystal and sprinkled in through here. That is gonna be so cute, you guys. Like I said, a really fun canvas for someone just starting out, maybe a younger person too, maybe an older person who just, like me, who just wants a snack size canvas that you can work through pretty quickly. That is fantastic. Sybile Art is a really, really fun artist. She licenses her work to a couple of different companies. Really, really fun. And at Crafties, she also has paint by number kits. So I'm working on one right now called Chaperon Rouge, and it's turning out really, really good. Her artwork really lends itself well to diamond painting and to paint by number. And of course, it's legally licensed, so every time you purchase one of these, she gets paid too, which is fantastic. Oh my gosh, thanks so much Crafties for sending this along for review. This is a really, really fun small canvas, a quick finish, and just perfect if you love whimsical pastel, really, really cute canvases. Like I said, perfect for Cal's Crafts, anything mermaid along. So be sure to check out those links so you can play along with that event. It goes all the way through August. You can participate with absolutely any craft, which is super, super fun. I hope you guys have really enjoyed seeing this brand new release from Crafties today. I really enjoyed showing it to you. I love when I get to show you things that are outside the box for me. It really helps me stumble on some new things that are really, really fun to finish. That is gonna be a blast. So check out Numiko from Crafties. I'll make sure to pop the link in the description. I hope you all have a wonderful week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.